How to move WhatsApp chat from iPhone to Android. On your new Android, start the setup process. When prompted, choose to restore data from your old iPhone. Use the cable to connect your iPhone and Android phone. Follow the on-screen prompts on the Android device until you reach the data transfer screen. Or, go to WhatsApp settings on your iPhone. Tap Chats, then move Chats to Android. Tap Start and allow the data preparation process to begin. What if you are upgrading from an old iPhone to a new iPhone? With MagFone Chats Transfer, you can easily transfer, backup, restore, and export WhatsApp Business. Connect your two iPhones to your computer, select the WhatsApp option, click Transfer, and MagFone will seamlessly move all chats and media directly. No factory reset, no complex cloud backups, and no data loss on either device.